Hi all, I'm Shravanti from Swise. Today I'll be talking about Easy Search feature in Workshop Certify. This is a new feature in Certify 11. Many of you have used Certify 11 and you are already aware about this feature. For those who have not yet used Certify 11, please use it in order to use this Easy Search feature. This Easy Search feature is very helpful. Today I'll be covering up this agenda. What is Easy Search, how to use Easy Search, drag and drop and editing process in Easy Search, and benefits of using Easy Search. What is Easy Search? Easy Search gives users the ability to search processes, layouts, variables, results, attributes quickly. It is a global search option in Certify and is accessible from any navigation taskbar and opened process window. How to use Easy Search? So this is the theoretical part. You need to click the search icon on top right corner of Certify or press Ctrl Shift F in Certify window. Type the required search in the search word text box and press search icon. Click the drop down arrow for search options. Select operator, include attribute. Select any of the provided search result show radio buttons for any specific search. Let's see this in Certify. So this is my Certify main window. As I told, on the top right corner I should be able to see the search icon. So I can either directly click this icon or I can just type Ctrl Shift F. So the Easy Search window opens. Here in the search word text box, I need to type my required search. Suppose I type here VA01 and I click this drop down. In the operator, I can either select contains or starts with. In the include, I can either select any of these checkboxes or I can select all of these checkboxes as per my requirement. In the attribute, I can select any of these options. Currently, I will not be filtering based on this attribute. In the search result, I can either select this all. In that case, all the processes, layouts, variables, results which are having VA01 will be displayed here. In case I want any specific search, then I can select any of these radio buttons. Now I will click this search. So here, all the processes which are having VA01 are displayed. Also, all the layouts which are having VA01 are displayed here. If you notice here, along with the processes, the folder path of the processes are also visible. Also, for the layouts, the folder paths are visible. So here you noticed how easily and quickly I could search my required search using this Easy Search feature in a very short time. Now let's go to the slide again. Drag and drop in Easy Search. When you are calling the transaction during end-to-end integration and you are in the Steps tab, you can directly search the transaction and then drag and drop to the required step, which reduces process development time. Let's see this in Certify. Suppose I open one of my integration and I click the steps and I want to call here any transaction. So I can just type here my required transaction and search it. It is searching. It should give me the list of VA02. So currently there is only one VA02. I can directly drag this VA02 to my required step and close the Easy Search, close the search and save this process. So here you noticed how faster I could able to call the transaction to my integration, hence process development time is reduced. Let's go to the slide again. While variabilization of any value in a step, you can search the variable from the Easy Search and directly drag that variable to the step. Let's see this in Certify. Suppose I open one of my child process. Here, this step is currently hard-coded and I want to variabilize it. So I can directly type the variable here in the Easy Search and search it. And I will click this variable and I can directly drag this variable to my hard-coded step. Close this Easy Search and save the process. So here also you saw how easily and faster I could variabilize the step. As a result, saved the process development time. Let's go to the slide again. While you are working in any process, you can still click Easy Search and edit a process layout variable directly. Let's see this in Certify again. Suppose I am working in this integration and at the same time I want to edit another transaction which is not a part of this integration. So I can directly type here that transaction and search it. So it's searching. It has given me the list. Currently there is one VF01. So I will just right click on this, click on edit, and I can do my required editing now. Suppose I add a new step and save it. So here you noticed how quickly I could edit a process while working on some other process. Let's go to the slide again. Benefits of using Easy Search. Easy Search helps find any process, layout, variable, result directly without navigating to individual folders. Using Easy Search, the search becomes easier and faster. While working in a project team, reusability of a process can be achieved easily and hence duplicate process can be avoided. Thank you for watching. Please mail your query at contactus@sois.com. Join our LinkedIn group Worksoft Expert Community and do visit our blog @http://www.sois.com/blogs/